Hi, I want to show you how to find a nice standards-based report that you can use, and this will be, you can choose it by test or you can choose it to cover all the different tests you've assigned. So the very first thing you're going to do is click on Reports, and from there up at the top you're going to click this Standards button, and then as you go through you'll click Current Year, you'll select your grade, you'll select math as the subjects, and then you will have to select, this is a little tricky, the National Common Core Math 2013 standard. Then you'll click the plus sign by standard, and you can look specifically at each Common Core standard. I just select all so I can see all of the standards I've assessed so far. And then I click Generate. And from there, you can see my class average for each of the standards I've assessed. But if I want to dig in, you can see again, I'm just showing my class average right now. I can click right here on my class name. And yours probably won't come up like this because you'll have too many students. But what you can do is then see each student and how they did on each standard. And so these X's and check marks are based on what you set when you assign the test as the proficiency rate. So I believe mine was set at 75%. So the ones that are X's are below 75%. The one that are green checks means the student scored above 75%. And the numbers in parentheses will tell you how many points on each test that item was worth. So what should be the case is, for example, it says 8 points. Each question is worth 2 points, so this would be 4 points. This one there were 26 points, so that means there were 13 questions amongst all the tests that were given. Here, I'm guessing the fact that it's 1 means that it was only a part of one of the questions. So again, you can see how many were assessed. And as you assign more and more assessments to students, this will all be cumulative. You can drill into each student. And it allows you to see each standard, the number of assessment items, the number of points, and their percentage. So you can drill in to see a little bit more. And we are working with GoMath to try to make this a batch report so you could just print this out and then have it available for each student rather than having to click on each student.